in today's workshop we've actually got my own phone in. The battery recently exploded and caught fire a little bit. However, the new battery has now arrived, so what we're going to do today is fit it. Now I have cheated with this slightly, as I have already removed the old battery and disposed of it safely.
That was because it caught fire.
Because it caught fire, yes. So I've already taken the battery out. However, it is exactly the same process for putting the battery back in as what it is to take it out. So we're going to get our battery and we're going to sit in there. There's a connector just here that we need to plug our battery onto. I shall plug that on, sit the battery in its holder, and then there's two screws to put into the the connector to make sure that stays in place. So I will take my KS368 screwdriver, which is lovely and magnetic. This kit is available for, I believe it was less than £5. I will confirm and let you guys know exactly. It does actually also come with a screw hole kit. So basically, as you take the screws out of the phone, you can put them into the holes and then you know exactly where they go when you take them back. However, don't actually read what it says on it, because it says the screw holes distribution of phone 4. In case you guys hadn't worked out, this is a Chinese kit, but it works for what we need to do. And these screwdrivers are actually pretty good. They come already magnetised, which is perfect because the screws on iPhones are really, really small. Now that we've put them two screws in, we want to slide the back cover back on. It does have these little clips, so you just want to make sure that all of them sit into the case properly. So it goes fractionally higher than the top of the phone, so you've got that gap there, and then you just slide it down. It might be a little bit tight.
Especially after the old battery caught fire and could have warped things a little bit.
Yeah, that's just it. It did get incredibly hot. Now that that's in, we now take what's called our pentalobe screwdriver. I'm not sure how clearly that will show up.
Not brilliant.
It's a little star-shaped screwdriver. And then all we're going to do is put the two screws into the bottom of the phone, and then we're all good.
Now obviously, as you said, to take it out, just do the opposite of what we were supposed to do and put it in. Take them screws out first, then take the back off, then take the two screws out from the clip on the battery, then unclip the battery. Correct?
Yeah. That is exactly it. Just exactly the same but in reverse.
I'm glad we didn't film that. I'd have to film backwards.
No.
You showed everyone your feet.
Yes, I have very nice feet. And so there we go, that's now the... You might want to stop recording now.